Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you AdsReel review. Guys, AdsReel actually a video ad creation software. First to JVju instantly turn any business into a stunning video commercial using just its name and a prompt using the power of next generation prompt to video technology. Creator of this software AdsReel Abhi Dwivedi. Who is Abhi Dwivedi? Guys, Abhi Dwivedi is one of the best software creator on JVju marketplace. He launched lots of software successfully. He is also top 5% vendor on JVju marketplace. Now you can make thousands of dollars every month selling video ads and commercials that only takes minutes to make, even if you have never created a single video ever. This is super easy way to create video ads, guys. There's 3 simple steps to create video ads using this software AdsReel. This software has already gone live 25th of July, guys. So I'm going to show you step by step all the information. I'm going to show you also quick demo how actually works this software AdsReel. So guys, please don't skip this video. Okay, I'm going to show you also pricing and OTOs of this software AdsReels. Leverage the powerful AI to create tons of videos for yourself or your clients in no time. No technical skills or monthly fees required. Okay guys, if you want to really make money from freelancing marketplace, then this software AdsReel for you. Do you have any agency? Then this software is for you, guys. Okay, you can easily create video ads for product and you can sell it, guys. Okay, I'm going to show you how actually works this and how you can make money. I'm going to show you everything, and this software will provide 14 days money back guarantee. Okay, simply enter the business name and let the AI find create high quality HD video ads in just 3 easy steps, guys. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, you can see the link in my video description below. You can learn everything if you click the link, guys. Okay, if you want to really learn more, then click the link in my video description below. Here is, you can see the testimonial. There are real users of this software AdsReels get paid hundreds of dollars for just 10 minutes of work using AI. Power your own video ad agency. Okay guys, here is a lots of information you can see here. Okay, you can see, guys, others are already getting paid $250 free video or more for these far video or more for this service. Okay, this is the Fiverr gig. You can see the $250 they charge. I will do motivating inspiring video ad for your brand. This person charges $250. I'll create a promotional video ad for Facebook. This person charges all our 5-star reviews. 478 review got these gigs actually, and he already covered over thousands water, because while the people are not give you review, guys. Okay, the feedback actually, and you can see $210 this person search the one video ads create. You can also make this type of money. You can also make money also from Upwork.com. You can see this person already make 50k plus earned $50 per hour hourly work. You can do the Upwork, guys. Okay, and here is, you can see AdsReel create breathtaking HD video ads in just 3 easy steps using this software AdsReel, guys. In step number 1, simply enter the business name and prompt. And step number 2, customize your video to your liking. Step number 3, send it to your clients or use it to your own business and get paid. Guys, this software price is $39 right now, and price goes up day by day. So this is the right time to purchase this software. And right now this software 0% refund rate. That's why I promote it, guys. I made this video 29th of July, but this software has already gone live 25th of July. Okay, and this 4 days 0% refund rate. That's why I promote it, guys. And this software will provide 14 days money back guarantee So you have got nothing to lose. This software will give you lots of bonuses. I'm going to show you all the bonuses about this software AdsReel end of the video. So stay tuned. Right now I'm going to show you the full demo about this software AdsReel, guys. Stay tuned. This demo created by the software creator Avi Devidi. He explained well actually. That's why I am going to sharing this demo video. So stay tuned and watch the video, guys. Okay.
Welcome to AdsReel. In this short demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can use AdsReel to create video ads, video commercial, video AdWords for businesses and your own products and services using just a prompt and AI within minutes. Now, we've built AdsReel to be stupidly simple and super fast to use with instant previewing enabled in it. To create your first video, all you need to do is click on Create Video Ads or Ads Video button over here. Now right here, you can enter your campaign name. Let's say we're trying to create a video for a certain barber salon in Orlando, Florida. So I'm going to say barber campaign number 1. And in the search type right over here, I can choose from places, web, which is domain, and custom. Now if I select custom, this is useful when the place, the business that you're trying to search has no website, has no internet presence. It's great for services or courses or products that you're trying to sell. Now in our case, we'll use places to find barbers in Orlando. I'm gonna type barber here as a keyword. You can also type a specific business name as well. Now AdsReel works for every single country in the world that you can think of. For our use case, we're gonna go with United States of America over here. And I'm gonna select the state as Florida. And the city's gonna be, let's see, Orlando. And I'm gonna click on submit. Now what AdsReel is gonna do is gonna go out there and start finding tons of barber businesses in the United States, in the state of Florida, in Orlando, and list them for me to pick from. Now generally I would recommend to be a little bit more specific of what kind of barber you're looking for. Let's say if you're trying to create a video for urban styles, make sure you mention urban styles or urban barber if you want something more specific. Now you can view their website by clicking on open website to get a bit of an idea of what these guys do. And then if you're ready to create a video for them, you can click on select video. Same here, you click on open website and it's going to take you to their website so you can see all the other details about them. Now if I like this one, I want to create a video for this one, I'm going to click on select. Now I'm going to give it a prompt. Let's say I'm trying to create a video commercial where this said barber is offering 50% discount on all services. So I'm going to say 50% discount on all services for the month of July. And then I'm going to select the vibe. Could be laid back, could be fun, could be inspirational. I'm going to want to make something fun. This helps pick a background music and the styling of the video. Now you can create 3 different kinds of videos: short, medium, long. Short videos are about 30 seconds, mediums are about 60 seconds, and long are a little bit over 1.5 minutes. Let's say we want to create a long video and click on generate video. Now here's what AdsReel is gonna do in the background. It's gonna go to Google and it's gonna find its website, and so on, and find its Google My Business listing, capture all the data including the images, the logos, the videos, the branding style, the phone number, the address, the website details, anything and everything in between. And once it finds it together, it's going to convert that into a script and render a video. Now, as you can see, the video is ready. It's awaiting customization. I'm going to click on edit to start customizing the video. Now, as you can see, it's a 2-minute long, almost 2.5 minute long video, and it is ready for me to preview. Now what you can do here is you can change the template. If you don't like the template, You can customize the general setting. You can change the background audio. You can change the voiceover, the theme color. You can add a logo, watermark, intro, outros. You can see from all the media clips that we find from this barber, we had about 5 images. Then we can go here, change all the text that we have written in the video. We can customize the text as we want, make it bold, italic, capital, small, cross something out, center line, medium aligned, font size, font color, everything in between. And then we can also control the background music and the voiceover. Now, once we are done with the video, we are happy with the way video is looking, we're done with the customization and everything, what we're going to do is we're going to click on render video right over here, and it's going to start rendering video in real time. And within the next few seconds, you'll have your video ready to download, which then you can share on Facebook and YouTube, and even publish it as a Facebook ads if you want. Now, let's make another quick video about a hotel. So let's say hotel campaign in Vegas. I'm gonna again go with places, and I'm gonna search MGM. I'm gonna go with United States again. This time I'm gonna go Nevada. I'm gonna select Las Vegas and click on submit. I'm just gonna go out there and find any business with a similar name as MGM. So it's got a bunch of MGMs, but we're gonna go with MGM Grand. I'm going to select this and give it a prompt. Let's say we want to create a video about, again, 30% off on all rooms when you stay with for a week. Fun vibe. Let's make it a long video again. And as you can see, it's going out there and generating and capturing all the details about that business, while we have our barber campaign that's rendering at almost at 67%. In the next couple of minutes, we'll have the barber campaign ready to download, to share online, and we'll also have the hotel campaign ready for us to customize. Now, the customization can again take a minute up to 5 minutes depending on how much data you're capturing. So in terms of campaign for barber, it was super quick because there wasn't a lot of images about the business. But in terms of MGM, I bet they have a lot of images, a lot of videos for us to scrape and download. So it's going to take about a minute or two. But here we are, quick and ready. I'm going to click on customize, and let's have a quick preview. This video is about 3 minutes long, and let's do a quick preview on it. And as you can see, it's picked up a lot of content from here. If I go to templates and media, I can see there's a lot of images for me to pick from. And again, I can click on render, and it's going to start rendering this video super quickly and ready for me to download. So that's how AdsReel works. Super easy, super fast. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team, and we'll be happy to help you.
Okay, my friend, I hope you fully understand about this software, how actually works AdsReel. Okay, AdsReel is super easy to create. You can see also some demo. This is the
Welcome to
demo.
Liberty Barber Shop, Orlando's premier award-winning barber shop, located in the heart of Orlando's Milk District.
Okay, you can also see this demo,
Are you tired of dealing with leaky faucets and plumbing problems that never seem to go away? Look no further than Blackburn Plumbing. We are
Okay, you can also create this type of
in the heart
video
of East
ads.
Hampton. There's a place where the beauty of the Hamptons meets the
Okay guys, super easy to create video ads using this software AdsReel, and this is one-time payment right now. This software, the front end offer is $39, and the upsell is 97, 47, and 37. These three upsells available right now on the members area. When you see 100% 14 days money back guarantee, guys, right now I'm going to show you all the bonuses what you will get inside the members area if you purchase this software today. Link in my video description below. The bonus number 1, live training, how to make instant revenue with AdsReel in 30 days. Bonus number 2, start a new revenue stream with a free commercial license upgrade included. And this is the 2 bonuses available right now, and we are just getting started. You will also receive these amazing bonuses with your purchase today. And bonus number 1, article to voice creator. And bonus number 2, courseable traffic blaster. Bonus number 3, SEO software pro. And these 3 bonus also they will provide, guys. Okay, try AdsReel risk free for the next 14 days. And right now AdsReel is only available for a low on time fee for a limited time, and then price goes up day by day. So here is, you can see AdsReel starter plan and AdsReel premium plan. I always recommend you purchase AdsReel premium plan because price is no big difference is here. You can see $35 and $39, and I always recommend you purchase this AdsReel premium because they will provide all the features, and here is, you can see, limited features, guys. Okay, and that's it, guys. This is the quick overview of AdsReel. This is the creator. I hope you enjoy this video, and also you can see the frequent asked questions. Do you have any questions? You can see your questions answer is available here. Just click the link in my video description below and check out all the information before purchase this software, guys. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to create video ads, who actually struggling to make money from online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, my friend. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.